To start off, I think we're going for a swam.
Wow, this is hectic. The old-fashioned one. Oh! Living the dream!
Good morning. Well, we didn't.
Our dedicated staff is leading the pool.
They come out here in the morning. This is the pool. It's actually freezing outside of the pool, but the water is really warm. So the top up and body right now is like fresh. Putting you all down so I can have a proper swim. So they said you have to reach.
I think he tries to reach out.
Clout floor.
Run.
I'm going to breakfast. See you, Toby. Oh, I've still got so much footage to edit. Let's see if I can do it in an hour. So we are out of the hotel. I think I accidentally deleted the first shot where I'm talking. But I think the plan today is to fly back to Newcastle and then go into, I'm playing at UWS tonight, so I'll vlog a bit of that and it should be pretty fun. How are you feeling this morning, Toby?
Fantastic. No. A lot less colour.
Finally found you.
Stop it, Joe. 3.
That was really strange. I kind of wanted to film that, but I didn't really get much of a chance. But I just bumped into Sean and Jimmy, some newie mates, and but yeah, we're in a rush to get on an Uber, which we can't seem to find. Man, so many people look at you when you're like holding the camera at yourself walking around. I just had to run across like 4 lanes to get in the Uber car. Yep. So that Uber driver cancelled our thing just as we were jumping in the car, so now we're waiting for another Uber driver to come get us. Try number 2. Right, Uber driver. Hello, airport. We're through. So that is it for editing the time being. Just waiting for the plane. Ben's over it. My vlogging, that is. Airports. Vlogging in airports. People love travel, don't they, Nathan? People love to just watch Nathan sit around in the airport.
Maybe. You're down the back of the plane, guys, so when you get halfway down there, just turn right. Fine, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, that's so good. You're enjoying it? He's not responding now? Throw up. You fogged up my lens. I'm trying to figure out where I'm looking at. Australia.
It looks like the airport will be tiny.
It's been so long.
Hey, Kyron. Hello.
No.
Okay.
We have places to be now.
We have about half an hour to do an hour's worth of driving. Let's see if we can do it. Nah, back in Newcastle. Now it's just got to play at UWS. You excited?
Yeah. I just have a quick question. Are you hungry?
I am hungry. Let's get some food on the way. Okay, but we're at my house and I need to grab stuff really quickly because I'm running late. Maybe we'll get food when we're there.
That would be yum. That'd be so good.
I'll leave the car on, so I'll be quick.
Okay.
I'll be that quick.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna chill here. Why are my legs so wide?
Okay, let's go! So I was late, and then I got a phone call saying we can't even make music until 4, so now I'm early. And how cool is Jess's outfit? Push, pull.
Push?
Maybe walking around the front, that's okay. Woohoo! Hello.
Why? What happened?
Oh, it was pretty fun. You can see it in my previous vlog.
Actually, let's switch it again.
Tunas, food time. What do you think of that?
Oh, I'm so excited.
Dinner required. Smashed it.
The massive belly.
Oh yeah. And look at that big belly. Food baby in there.
Literally.
Oh. Nobody else has replied to me. No one loves me.
Do you want to call Sam?
Not even you.
Backstage.
This is backstage of UWS.
Nah,
You just bumped into this cutie, patootie.
because Josh is out the back there.
Hey Joe, you're gonna get some shots of like the smoky hallway.
Smoky
Yeah.
hallway. Only if you're the one smoking.
I just saw a video of you getting woken up.
Brayden, where are we going, bud?
It's time to play some music.
Is it finally time to start sound checking?
Yeah.
Or hell yeah!
Wait.
Time for some practice. Well, this is pretty much like 90% of all practices ever.
Fred's
You know-
not sure which one he was hitting. We just had
I
a
don't.
really good run through.
It's quite a
Lovely.
like a deep.
I was pretty happy with it. I might write down keys on my sheet. Alright.
Hey mate.
Skadoosh.
We're currently sitting down on the stage at Next. Braden's standing just there to the left.
Wow, that's so bright.
Are they?
Oh, that looks sick in this.
And
Looks like a hand turns into Jesus.
oh yeah, and that's Andy.
It looks like you're like. It just looks like that in
That's
real
Andy and
life.
Braden playing with Delight.
That's really cool. Okay.
Yeah,
What's,
so we're
what's
just
happening
sitting-
next?
The music just turned on.
I won't be able to hear you
Probably can't hear me anymore.
Alright, I'll turn this off.
You go can them international roasting and pop it and you carry the cups around.
Mikado.
Sorry, you can't film here.
What a man. High five before I go backstage. Alright, Braden, what's going on?
Currently we are backstage.
Backstage.
Why is everything about drugs with you, mate?
Kids are now in the auditorium.
They're in the auditorium. They're inside the auditorium.
They are.
I thought they were going in at 7:10. I mean 7:10. 7:10.
Well, maybe they're not in yet.
Okay. In 4 minutes, the kids will be in the auditorium.
Yes. 4 minutes.
4 minutes. How long? Sorry.
4 minutes.
4 minutes.
Right, so no reception is there. They're having a reception.
Should we go? No. Should we go round?
I'll get absolutely wrecked. I'm not going around.
DJ Central.
Byron. Hey, mate. How you going? finished playing the first set. We've got, I think, one more?
I think so. Maybe two.
One or two more. I think it's all like kind of combined. One more, but like
on this team?
I don't know.
Who's single?
I don't think anyone's single.
Is he single?
Are you single? Yeah, you.
Are you
there.
single? Are you
Are
single?
you?
Well done.
Good set, I'll tell you.
That was really good. Did you enjoy it? Did you have fun? Yeah. You're my hero.
Recording.
Yeah.
Welcome to United We Stand vlog post 1. We can't post that. This is a Christian event.
It's a Christian channel.
This is a Christian channel. Like and subscribe if you want to see more. Follow me. 7 hearts everywhere. Disgusting.
Gotta vlog it.
It's gonna be a very awkward hug. What's your head?
I don't really like this.